So you mean to tell me we're getting a 30-inch, 220% density, 5x5 HD lace closure wig, all for $139. But the gag is, sis, there is a $20 off coupon, so it makes this roughly about $119. Say less, say less. So this is the unit straight out the box. I love the construction of it. It does have an elastic band, which is adjustable and removable in case you would like to wear glueless. Now this is a 5x5 closure up close. As you guys can see, the knots are super duper small. However, it does not come pre-plucked or bleached. Now I hot combed it just to see what it would look like if I didn't do any of those things, and it still eats. Now the quality of the hair was on another level. I could not believe that I sat here and paid $119 for this. So we're going to test the quality because from it out of the pack it's given that it's good, but we know all true virgin hair can be bleached. So I'm taking my Blonde Brilliance powder and developer. I'm pouring equal parts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create a mixture that is almost like toothpaste consistency. If you have it too watery, it will seep onto the strands of the hair. So this is the perfect consistency. I'm going to go ahead and start from the back and work my way up to the front and spread this mixture all over the closure. Now that I'm done putting the bleach onto the closure, I am going to take my 4 sheets and help speed up the process. It traps in the heat. So we're going to start at 15 minutes and work my way up to 40, just checking it every now and then. So this is what it looks like, y'all. I did not have any purple or blue shampoo to correct the brassy and orangey tones in the unit, so it's gonna stay like this. I don't care, but it's giving scalp. Nobody can tell me nothing. Okay. Transparent moment here. When I was washing the hair, I was really scared that this was gonna flop because I said, why does this keep shedding? What are we doing? What are we doing? But by the time I got done towards the end of the washing, the shedding has ceased. And this is what it looks like when I dried it. Look at it. Look how it turns out. Look how full and thick it is. Now them split ends, we got to get. I cannot leave them there. But look at the body. Look at the shine. Look at the bounce on this unit. Y'all, for $120, please stop playing with me. This is what it looks like when I flat ironed it. Now, is this unit really 30 inches? I started measuring from the middle, like the center of the wig, and it gave us 29 inches, but that's with those split ends, okay? Now, as far as the front, I already know. The front is like 22 inches. This is never going to give 30. I don't care. I never seen no unit that's going to be 30 all the way around. So this is what it looks like once I clip those split ends. Baby, you cannot tell me this is not my real hair, okay? My real hair. I did bump the ends to see what it would look like. I actually like it better straight. And I also said, let's curl it. And this unit said, okay, you think I'm playing. You think I'm playing with you. I can hold a curl. I can hold a freaking curl if I want to. This is the next day. Where them curls at? Them curls is gone. So it did hold up for some hours. I left it in on the wig stand overnight, and by the time the morning came, we had like a slight wave in the front, so it did revert right back on straight. This is what the closure looks like now. I decided to go in and do a little bit of plucking. I did go ahead and tint the lace off camera. I ran out of cream foundation, so I had to use lace tinting spray. I do go ahead with some wax and seal the wax in with my Sebastian Shaper spray, and we're gonna go in to do some hot combing. I'm going in with this new hot comb I got from Remington. This thing goes up to 450 degrees. And baby, when I say it gets hot, it gets hot. Look at the reviews under this hot comb on Amazon. And the most complaints that people were giving was it got too hot. And they probably was using that high heat on their real hair. Sis. I turned it all the way up just to see what it will give. And look at it. It looks laid. I need that heat, so I definitely would say this hot comb definitely is going to give Andis a run for their money because I love it. So now that the lace is cut off, we are going to go in and secure it down using my Kiss lace adhesive. You can wear it glueless using the elastic band, which comes with the unit. I showed you guys that in the beginning of the video. My downfall was not putting the elastic band back in, installing the wig without the elastic band, because I feel like it made my wig look a little bit wiggy and helmet like, because the wig is too big. Y'all know what most Amazon virgin hair units, they be too small. I be sending them Johns back because I'm like, I can't get my head in it. This one is too big. It's too big. Normally when I take the elastic band out and do my install without the elastic band, it still fits properly. This one, no. It's too much space. It is given too big. So if you're worrying about this unit being too small, I promise you it's not. I promise you it's not. Lastly, I'm just gonna run my Time-O straightener through the hair to, straighten it back out. I love this thing, y'all. It's super quick, super easy, and gets the job done. Overall, y'all, when I tell you I was going into doing this install with expectations of it being $100 wig, I already know when I buy a $100 wig, it's not gonna be, quality is not gonna be that great. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be under average. It's all right, it's worth the $100. It's gonna be, the density is gonna be thin and kind of brittle. I really was expecting that from this, but I didn't get that at all. As you guys can see, the hair speaks for itself. It does. I don't even have to say too much because I just can't believe this was that price. Like, it's giving $200-$300 hair. Like, what? Y'all better run and go get it. I ain't even holding y'all. Y'all better run and go get it. Now, besides that shedding, that was the only concern that I had, was that shedding. And it did cease towards the end of the washing process. But I don't know if it's going to continue to do that every time I wash it, When I wear the hair, it does not shed throughout the day. Like, I'm always playing with this hair because it's super soft and silky and it don't be shedding. Now, that nape area, it would get a little tangly back there. I'm going to tell you that. But other than that, y'all, it's a 1,000 out of 10. F a 10 out of 10. It's 1,000. So I enjoy this wig. I'm obsessed. I love her down. I will leave the link to her in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.